Have you ever felt that you have fallen under the toxic spell of modern business jargon? Are you bombarded by an endless stream of corporate mumbo-jumbo? Are you going bald scratching your head trying to understand complex reports filled with meaningless words like synergy, value add, leverage, paradigm, core competency, catalyst, vision, mission, information-centric, people-oriented, horizontal and vertical solutions, and other gobbledygook? Are you tolerating and encouraging fools by mistaking their pretentious rubbish talk for intelligence? If you say yes to any or all of the above questions, then you are not alone. Millions of executives worldwide are in the same situation and have resigned themselves to fate, unable and unwilling to get out of it. But it need not be that way. You can get out of it easily if you are willing to do a few simple things. If you are ready, then we have the perfect book for you. Get to the Point. A short and snappy guide by Thejendra Sreenivas is the ultimate guide to enhancing and transforming your communication in the workplace. With Get to the Point, you'll learn simple techniques that will help you communicate clearly and effectively, no matter what industry you're in. This book will show you those simple things, and how you can consciously reject complexity in communication and hug simplicity, which is the ultimate sophistication. Get to the Point is the ultimate guide to effective communication in the workplace. Get your copy now. Available in both paperback and all ebook formats.